The Festival of Trees is an event hosted by the Bitterroot Health Foundation. It's a 3-day event with rows and rows of Christmas trees that are decorated in a theme supporting a nonprofit organization or a fundraising group in our valley.
There are no other opportunities quite like this one, specifically around the holidays, for bringing the nonprofits of the Bitterroot Valley together, unifying them in the holiday spirit and in the spirit of giving.
I decided to volunteer for this event this year because this past summer my son was diagnosed with bladder cancer. So the tree you see here is representation of those colors of cancer.
I am volunteering with this event because it really brings the community feel to a child's event in this particular case, because we're working with the gingerbread houses and we're working with the teddy bears and the trees, and both of these are children focused but really have a community family feel, and I love that.
The hospital exists because of the philanthropic spirit of Margaret Daly. We follow her example by promoting a culture of philanthropy so that we can always provide care for all in the valley.
I'm helping with the Adopt a Family tree. People are going to take an ornament and they're going to help families out with whatever their needs are.
This tree will be benefiting the Bitterroot Health system, and it was sponsored by the Grizzly Scholarship Association.
Teddy bears and the trees will happen on Sunday, and it will be benefiting both Bitterroot Health and Bitterroot Dance Collective. Bitterroot Dance Collective this year is partnering with Valley Bitterroot Dance Academy to put on their children's Nutcracker.
Along one side of the room, we have 12 or 13 trees that all represent and support our different colors of cancer teams.
This tree will benefit the Bitterroot Health Oncology Infusion Center, which just opened this past spring.
We see a need in the community to help with support from that perspective, to help with cancer for individuals in the community so they don't have to be driving to Missoula. So they can get those services here so they can spend more time with their families.
I see the patients on a daily basis who use our infusion center for cancer services, and they are some of the sweetest people, and I just love to be able to help them.
This is important to me because the blue of this house is painted after colon cancer, which we lost my best friend to last year. So we did the whole thing in memory of Nicole Michael.
The Festival of Trees is one way we continue to support the services provided to cancer patients in that space. The lights, colors, and all the talent create a beautiful atmosphere of giving, open hearts, and love.
I don't think there's one event like this that touches so many areas, so many groups and lives.
When you're here and you see the children marvel at the magic and excitement this event provides, it reminds us of all the hope in the world, and it speaks to all the good that people can accomplish when they come together to serve our community.
You get a little bit of everything. You get the beautiful music, the sparkling lights, and the artistic vision of all of these different nonprofits. And then on the other hand, you get donations that support all of these wonderful organizations. We are very blessed to be living in an area that has an abundance of nonprofits doing amazing work.
Wherever we have medical services, we want to connect with the nonprofit groups so that we can all be united in helping make this a better place for us to live and to take care of each other.